Hey guys, welcome to my dining room studio. So basically, I didn't want to get a two-bedroom apartment by myself, so I kind of just got a one-bedroom that has like a dining room area and then made this into my little busy little office. But yeah, so the kitchen's over there, and then I have my living room this way, which there's already tons of boxes because obviously I'm packing. That's kind of what my living room looked like. This Kiwi was playing in this box or bag, whatever. Lots of boxes already being packed. Yeah. So this is my view that I had. I can show you now that I'm moving. It was a pretty cool view. That's the Detroit skyline, which is pretty cool. So let's just like jump right into it. I'm really excited actually. So under here, I actually keep my little like packing carts, like stickers, tape, confetti and tissue and other little boxes I put earrings in, my UV lights there, just like a random bunch of stuff. So this is basically all the little items I made for my last launch and they all sold. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys all so much for ordering or whoever ordered and bought something. It means the world to me. It seriously does. Like the fact that people want my art, like it warms my heart. But yeah, so that's what these guys look like. This is my pasta machine. I feel like I'm gonna run out of breath. I'm so sorry. This is my pasta machine. This is like an actual pasta machine. It's not like a clay pasta machine. It rolls out your clay. Yeah, so I recommend actually getting like a legit one because it won't break as fast. And then this thing I got on Amazon. I also got my desk from Amazon too. It was only like 200 bucks Canadian. And so this is also from Amazon. I just keep like all my scrap clay and it's a literal mess, but it kind of keeps all the loose clay organized. Then I have a little plant here, and then I have rubbing alcohol, extra glaze, paintbrushes, pliers, the whole nine. Hi, hello. I have a little plant and this cute little planter thing my boyfriend got me that looks like a cat. Then I have a bunch of little tiny things. I'm gonna try and make like a little miniature out of this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My UV resins and my liquid polymer clays are here. This is where I keep like just random stuff. I got this from Winners. It just makes rainbows and I'm obsessed with it. That will be a theme. You'll see that. I made this for a Michael's video. This is just water for painting. And then I'm making these little coffin charcuterie boards right now for orders. So that's really fun. The orders I have to make, more clay. This thing is from Walmart from like literally when I was 9, this lamp. So many people ask me where this lamp is from and it's literally from like 2009. So unfortunately, you can get some that are similar and probably actually better than this one, but she's just been with me through everything and I can't get rid of her. But she has little plugs and little compartments of just all my junk basically. And then this is my Glamcore light, which I love her. She is amazing. I did like a sponsored like video thing with them where they didn't pay me at all, but they sent it to me for free. And this light is like $600 USD. I'm in Canadian. So I can't even imagine how much that is in Canadian. But let me tell you, this thing is a beast. It's kind of really dirty for my sculpting hands. It's like a tripod and a light in one. It's just amazing. I use it for all my filming. It's great. So then you come over here and you see this plant. It's just chilling. It's actually kind of dying and I don't know why. I think it has root rot, but it's repotted it, so hopefully I can save it. Anyways, moving on. This is like my favorite corner. I absolutely love it. These are 2 little paintings that I painted. If you guys have been here, you know. I did this painting in college, I think. It's really cute. It's like a fairy going through like a little creek or something. I don't even know. This little plant that's hanging. The spider plant that has a little baby. My it's like decor stand, but I use it for making chicken wing earrings, which is so random. And like the dino nugget earrings, it looks like fried meat when you put it on clay. So yeah, all the cakes back there that I never sold because I'm just too lazy to list all of them. That's really bad. These are some random things that I made when I was doing those bundles. So there's that one, and then this was just a Meg's pizza container. I used to do really fun packaging. I need to get back on that actually. It's really fun. Stamps. This is a photocopy of a painting I did. A little butterfly moth rainbow thing. This is my calendar. So I put all the days that I work at the flower shop on here. So You see that. This is wrong because I did the launch here, but I think I'm gonna launch some more. Then I move. Yeah. There's not much on here because I have like a different loose planner that I work in, but I just like to put the brief summary over here. But yeah, moving on to more plants. Also, yes, this I said it was a theme because I love my rainbows, as you can see. Lots of them because they're so pretty. I love them. So I have my little incense holder. I have my little SpongeBob and Patrick earrings because I did a collab with Nickelodeon, so they're advertised. This was one of my Michael's collabs, so I just have it sitting here in my little Wednesday hand thing. Camera supplies. There's camera supplies in here, and this is like my beast camera. I love her. She's great. And then yeah, this thing I thrifted, which she's an icon. I love her. I made a whole video about her on my Instagram and my TikTok and YouTube and everything. But it's basically to hold washi tape, but the way it fits my clay perfectly, it was meant to be. It was meant to be. Then you go down here, and then I've been doing like work stuff with Row Life. So they've been sending me a bunch of stuff, and it's so fun to do. If you ever want like a hobby that's like close to crafting, it's just like kind of like puzzles and Legos, definitely try Row Life stuff because it's really fun. Then I have some random like jewelry finding things, rubber gloves for when I do my UV stuff, and then I have jewelry finding stuff, jewelry making stuff, my little like goggle things like to look up close. I have notebooks, beads, more jewelry findings, rubbing alcohol, a bunch of dirt because this plant drips down the dirt. Yeah, whatever. This is the container, the Glamcore container for the light, and a little clipboard thing. Okay, so moving on to my desk. So I like to make like little collages on my wall with like random work stuff that I've done, and like I'm propagating these plants and this color wheel and this painting I did in high school and another brand thing I did. Yeah, so I like to like kind of fill my wall with artwork. I have my other camera. This is like my main vlogging camera. This is where my microphone goes into. This is another plant I have, which has a really weird, I don't know what's going on here. Are you okay? I don't know. I have this really beautiful neon pothos, which is also becoming variegated. I don't know what's going on. Another one of these rainbow cool looking things because I love them. This just holds a bunch of little beads. Yep, just a bunch of beads. A bunch of markers, pencils, random stuff, lighters for my candles, my incense. I have a little pumpkin candle and my little flamingo because he's a flamingo, but he's also a mango, so he's a flamingo. Get it? This is my little desktop. Little bows as the wallpaper. Really cute. This is from Amazon. I believe it comes with a matching mouse, but I don't know where she went. So yeah, this is a mug heater upper. So when I have tea, I can heat up my tea and coffee. I have all my Prismacolor pencils because I was a like actual artist before. Now I'm just like a sculptor. I used to draw and paint, as you can see, like all the time. But they're kind of just here for decor now. I use them here and there for sketching stuff, but I just love to look at them because they're very expensive, you guys know, but I love them. I have this little mouse pad, which is actually upside down. Oops, this mouse, random mouse. And then I have my chair, which I'm actually going to get a new chair because this one tweaks a lot and I don't like it anymore. So that will be new when I move. I have all these drawers, which to be completely honest, I really don't want to go through because they're a mess. Like I'll give you a sneak peek because like it's a mess. I need to reorganize all of this when I move because it's a disaster. This is where I keep like all my clay. Like, oof, this is really scary. I don't want to show you guys this. This is really bad. I'm so sorry. I have a painting down there, my little like cardboard cutter thing, the actual computer. This is my printer. So this is like my little printing area for my labels, for my packages. My little respirator for when I'm using my UV resin, little tripods, another microphone, more labels, all the things. Then I have more boxes because moving, the theme here. The rainbow things, the rainbow mirror things and boxes are a theme here. So I have random stuff in here. I have to pack these boxes, and then these are going to be, I just thrifted these at the thrift store and then painted the outside black and then just covered it with Mod Podge, and they're beautiful now. So basically in here I keep more packing supplies. That is an insurance paper, so don't look at that. There's like silicone, just random packing supplies. I have my boxes over here for packing stuff. This is what I put all my receipts in for when I buy stuff for my business because you have to write it off. Bunch of earrings. Bunch of earrings. I'm gonna be making bookmarks. Stay tuned. And then this is empty. This is my beautiful, dirty, crusty, dusty oven. As you can see, she's very crusty, dusty. And then this is my pothos plant, which is thriving. Love her. And then I have this guy, thriving, but Kiwi always likes to take a damn bite out of it. And then these are from a different artist. And this is from college. This is like a ginormous clipboard basically that you can draw on. I have more canvases. And then this is my Wi-Fi line because I never bothered to put it on the wall because I knew I was eventually going to move and I didn't want to do it. But yeah. So that was my whole entire studio. Ta-da! She's beautiful. I love her. But I'm really sad because I'm going to be leaving her. But yeah, that's it.